Hello, all the students of the standard today. Good morning. I hope you all are well in this pandemic coronavirus. Please stay home, stay safe. Spend your quality time with your family member. You can give your quality time in your study also. I hope whatever homework I am giving you in maths and science, you are doing it in your homework copy on time. Because whenever the school is going to open, I am going to ask all the homework which I am giving to you. So please be sincere and do your homework in your copy. Today I am going to teach you science chapter 7. Okay, parts of a plant is going on. Parts of a plant. Okay, I have to continue page number 74. Root system. Root system. I told you the part of the plant usually grows below the ground or under the ground, that is known as root system, and root system cannot be seen. Okay, the part of the ground, it usually grows under the ground. The part of the plant usually grows under the ground are called root system, and it cannot be seen. Okay, so now we'll see in root system, we'll see function of a ground. So before function of the ground, we just say this one. See, here this is land. Okay, small grasses are there. This is land. Some part, whatever part is there, that is stream. So upper part, that will be known as root system. But whatever part over here, this is all soil. Okay, soil. This is all soil particles. All soil particles are there. Okay, in these soil particles you will find water also, because I told you in soil contains nutrients and water. So this is water. Now see, so this root takes in water and nutrients and it gives to the all other part of the plant, because soil contains nutrients and water, and this nutrients and water which is taken by the roots, then this root provide water and nutrients to all other parts of a plant. So we will see functions of the root now. Of the root. Okay. So first, the root takes in water and nutrients from the soil. Why? The soil contains nutrients and water. So first, the root takes water and nutrients. The root takes water and nutrients from the soil. Okay, the work of root is that it will take water and nutrients from the soil and it will give that to the all other parts of the plant. Second, it helps the plant to stay fixed into soil. Yes, this root, it helps the plant to stay fixed, stay erect. Okay, so if this root will be not there, okay, if this root will be not under the ground, then your tree maybe it will fall. So that's why this root fixes the plant, helps the plant to stay. It helps the plant to stay fixed into soil. Into this soil. Okay, next point. Root such as carrots and radishes store extra food and are eaten here. So roots, carrot and radish, that all are roots and they store extra food because they grows under the ground. When you will eat root, when you will eat this root like radish and carrot, it contains lot of water also. So roots such as carrot and radish store extra food and are eaten. Okay. So now the root of the plant usually forms either a taproot system or fibrous root system. Okay. Now this is the root of the plant. Now this usually forms either taproot system or fibrous. It cannot form both system. Either it can form taproot system or fibrous system. So first we will see taproot system. Now come to taproot system. I hope whatever I am writing it is visible to you and whatever I am speaking it is audible to you. So now come to taproot system. In a taproot system, the first root that comes out of a seed becomes the main root of the plant. Okay? When the first root that comes out of a seed becomes the main root of a plant. So in taproot system, okay, the first root that comes out of a seed becomes the main root of the plant. Whenever you will sow sow a seed into a soil, whatever the first root will come, that will become the main root of the plant. Means from that root only all other parts of the plant will grow. From the main root, thinner and smaller roots branches and spread out. Okay. Now from this main root, okay, from main root, thinner and smaller roots, okay, roots branch and spread out. Okay, so like I have shown you, spread out. Okay, so when root is there, whatever this branch will come, this will be its first main root of the plant. Then whatever branch will spread. Okay, this is the other branch, thinner and smaller roots will spread from this main root. Now examples are bean, hibiscus, mustard plant. They have taproot system. Beans, hibiscus, mustard plants, okay, have taproot system. Okay, so this taproot system is over. Now in lecture number 2 I will go for fibrous root system.